In today's scenario and current industry dynamics, there is a need of skill development and awareness about how the pharmaceutical industry is making a paradigm shift day by day to ensure drug product quality and delivering safe and effective pharmaceutical drug product to patients. Therefore, the question arises if our new generation of pharmacists is aware of the current industry practices. The story starts when we feel excited and lucky after getting admission in a university or college, either in Bachelor of Pharmacy, Master of Pharmacy, or PhD. In this way, our new journey begins and transition from a school student to a mature college student is there. Similarly, like you, other students also join with the same enthusiasm. You attend your lectures and enhance your knowledge. The education you go through depends solely on your university or college and their teaching methodologies and how efficient you are grasping these concepts. But currently, we believe that still somewhere we are lacking in bridging the gap between academics and industry. The focus of majority of the student is to achieve the best possible marks in both theoretical and practical examinations. But in that race, sometimes we as a student or sometimes the institute forget about which details or knowledge we need to flourish which will help us in our future. All the concepts we follow in current industry practices are available in our books, but in that course of competition, we forget which concept or knowledge that is already in books or have been taught by our teachers will be a life changer or the driving force of our career building. The final year passes away and we feel delighted after devoting or spending our time in the university or college that we have achieved our degree. It may be diploma or bachelor's or master's. And who can forget that moment spent with our batchmates, seniors and teachers which will be a memory which will never last. The moment is applicable to all the students in every demographic part of this world. During the final year, some universities or institutes may conduct campus interviews and students start applying for the jobs. Some students also start approaching the companies either by the help of job portals, some online business and employment services such as LinkedIn, or some known references. During that course of job application, till you face the interview, we start feeling a bit anxious or nervous. Why this happens? Although it is a natural human behavior, but when we look back, did we ever concentrated or anyone taught us how we can prepare for it? Are we aware that which the interviewer or the people taking your interview expects from you? Definitely there will be some expectations since we have spent 2 years of diploma, 4 years for bachelor degree and 6 years to receive our master degree. The interviewers only expect that whichever department you will be recruited, they would want minimum spend time in training you the basics because as per their understanding you already have your technical and theoretical skills. Partner with us to have an in-depth and guidance we provide to our students, helping them to achieve their goals. We, as your learning and development partner, guide you the most important concept that will not only help you in your skill development but also make you aware about the functioning of a pharmaceutical industry. With this learning, student will also be able to relate our lectures with their current academic curriculum so that it will help them in any exam or interview. Utilize your time and join our online course where you can learn from home. We teach our students with the help of online interactive sessions, and once you enroll in our course, we provide a lifetime registration where you can join anytime in any batch. Our online module includes: first, concept of literature search, including USFDA and European guidelines for regulated market. 2. Pre-formulation studies and drug product characterization techniques. 3. Major equipment used in pharmaceutical production, their critical process parameters, and its impact on critical quality attributes. 4th, important terminologies used in pharmaceutical industry. 5th, introduction to important ICH guidelines and drug product specifications. 6th, concept of bioequivalence studies. 7. Quality by design, QTPP, CQA, CFP, CPP, and control strategy will be a part of quality by design. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. For more details, contact us on our email ID, which is given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video.